Goa, located on the western coast of India, is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural heritage. With its unique blend of Indian and Portuguese influences, it offers a diverse and captivating experience to visitors. Goa's pristine coastline stretches over 100 kilometers and is dotted with beautiful beaches like Kalanguta, Baga, and Anjuna. These sandy stretches provide a perfect setting for relaxation, sunbathing, and water sports such as jet skiing, parasailing, and banana boat rides. The beach shacks and restaurants offer delicious Goan cuisine, including fresh seafood and spicy vindaloo curries. Apart from its beaches, Goa is also home to numerous historical and architectural marvels. Old Goa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases the remnants of colonial-era churches, including the Basilica of Bom Jesus, known for housing the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier. The Sé Cathedral, the largest church in Asia, is another must-visit landmark. For nature enthusiasts, Goa offers opportunities for wildlife spotting and bird watching. The Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Mallam National Park are home to a variety of flora and fauna, including tigers, leopards, deer, and exotic bird species. Dudhsagar Falls, one of India's tallest waterfalls, is a breathtaking sight nestled amidst the lush Western Ghats. In addition to its natural and historical attractions, Goa is famous for its vibrant nightlife. The state is dotted with numerous clubs, bars, and beachfront shacks that come alive after sunset. Popular nightlife hubs like Tito's Lane in Baga and Club Cubana in Arpura offer a pulsating atmosphere with live music, DJ performances, and a range of entertainment options. Goa also hosts various festivals and events throughout the year. The most famous among them is the Goa Carnival, a colorful and lively celebration with parades, music, dance, and traditional costumes. The Sunburn Festival, Asia's biggest electronic music festival, attracts music lovers from around the world. To explore Goa, visitors can rent scooters, motorcycles, or bicycles, providing the freedom to navigate the narrow winding roads and discover hidden gems. The local cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, combining traditional Indian spices with Portuguese influences. Goa's markets offer a variety of souvenirs, including handicrafts, spices, cashew nuts, and traditional Goan Fani liquor. In conclusion, Goa is a captivating destination that offers a mix of stunning beaches, historical landmarks, vibrant nightlife, and a rich cultural heritage. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or a cultural experience, Goa has something to offer everyone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Por.